people that are going to be appearing in the Panto this year here at the Regal. And who have we got over? Oh, look, it's Aladdin. Come and say hello, Aladdin.
Hello, everybody. How are you? I can't hear you. Hello.
Oh, is that all? Oh, right. And here we've got the Genie of the Ring. Doesn't she look gorgeous? Yes. There we are. Oh, and the Empress. Come and say hello. A very regal person. The Empress of China.
Good evening, subjects. You may kneel. Not good enough. Twank it.
Yes.
Forward.
Ah, right. And here we have one of the Tenbury police force here, so behave yourselves, because you could get into trouble.
Definitely, especially my friend. He's not here today, my constable. Do you know why? Because he's been stupid, so I've grounded him.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What a shame. And here we have 3 of our lovely citizens of our village in Peking, where we all come from and live. And here they are. Give them a round of applause. There we are. And now, in Peking, there is then one very, very naughty panda. Come here, panda. His name's Nobby. That's Nobby. Back. Ah, he's very naughty. Now then, have you all bought your tickets for the pantomime? Oh, yes, you have. Well, you better get them. The box office is open now. Now then, are we ready to switch the lights on then? Nobby? Come on, Nobby. Now then, here we go. So we're going to do a countdown. Here we are then. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Yay! Well, thank you very much, and see you all at Aladdin at the Regal, starting on the 22nd of December until the 28th. There we go.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening?